Hi dear friends, I welcome you all to Arush Jones free YouTube classes. In this video, I'll be telling you 5 questions of general knowledge with respect to freedom movement, which will be useful for both banking as well as SSC examinations and other government examinations. Okay, so 5 minutes it's an under 5 minutes video. We'll be trying to finish off the video as early as possible. So we'll be just going through 5 questions, right? So if you look at the first question, this was asked in, I think, RBI Grade B exam, and it was asked in many other government exams also. But in the banking exam, it was asked only once, and that too in RBI Grade B in 2019. So who among the following freedom fighters said, "My name is Azad"? So when he was arrested during national freedom struggle, so a person, while actually confessing his statement to the judge, he said, "My name is Azad, my father's name is Swatantrata, and my home is jail." This statement was made by which of the following freedom fighters during non-cooperation movement? That was the question. So the answer for that question is Chandrasekhar Azad. So Chandrasekhar, actually his name was Chandrasekhar. Later, because of this statement, he became Chandrasekhar Azad. Okay. Then, who among the following, which of the following freedom fighters said Swara? This is a very famous question which appeared in the examinations many times. Okay, so the statement was, "Swaraj is my birthright." Swaraj means nothing but complete freedom. So Britishers should leave us completely free. Okay, so Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Okay, so that was a statement made by Mr. Sri Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and he is very popularly known as a father of Indian unrest. This is another very important question. Who among the following is popularly known as father of Indian unrest? If the question is this, then also the answer becomes Balagangadhar Tilak. So Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. This is a slogan or a quotation given by Balagangadhar Tilak, and Balagangadhar Tilak is very popularly known as the father of Indian unrest, and he is the one who introduced the concept of Ganesh Chaturthi in Maharashtra. Question number 3. Who had put forward the theory of drain of wealth? So the name itself indicates drain of wealth means that someone is looting out. Someone or wealth is moving out from one place to another. Here the wealth is draining from Indian subcontinent to the Britishers or England, right? So at that point of time, around for 200 years, British ruled us. So during almost for those 200 years, they have looted our wealth, whether it is agricultural resources or whether it is ornaments of gold, silver, diamonds, etc. So everything was taken away by them. Okay, so that was actually known as a drain of wealth. But this proposal or this theory was put forward by a very famous freedom fighter of India. So the question is asking, so who is the famous freedom fighter who has put forward the theory of drain of wealth? And this is a very famous question which was asked even in IBPS and SBI exams several times because it is related to economy, right? So the answer here is Dadabhai Nauroji. So Dadabhai Nauroji is the economist or the freedom fighter who has put forward the theory of drain of wealth, describing the looting of Indian wealth by the Britishers before independence, right? Then, question number 4. Pandit Madan Mohan Malavya, who had popularized the slogan Satyameva Jayate. Everyone knows this. Today, our judicial system runs on this basic principle. So, this is the funda or basic fund of the entire judicial system, whether it is Supreme Court, High Court, or even the courts at district level. But that slogan was popularized during Indian freedom struggle by Pandit Madan Mohan Malavya, who is another famous freedom fighter. But the slogan was actually inspired from one of the famous Upanishads or one of the famous Vedic literature books of India. So, from which Upanishad Satyameva Jayate slogan was taken? So, it was Mundaka Upanishad. Mundaka Upanishad actually have the text of Satyameva Jayate. Okay, so there are 108 Upanishads. Upanishads are the famous, or actually, they are spiritual books of Hindu philosophy or Hindu religions philosophy is actually revealed through 108 Upanishads, and Upanishads are a part of Vedic literature, Vedic age. That's why, and actually, you can consider them as the synopsis or the end point or the actual conclusion of the four Vedas. You know the four famous Vedas, right? So Vedas are concluded in short or summarized in short in the form of Upanishads. So that is why they are very popularly known as Vedantas. That is why they are very popularly known as Vedantas. How many Upanishads are there? 108 Upanishads. Satyameva Jayate was inspired from Mundaka Upanishad out of 108. Give me blood and I shall give you freedom. Who is the freedom fighter who has given the slogan, give me blood and I shall give you freedom? This is a very famous question which appeared so many times. And the answer is Subhash Chandra Bose, who is also the founder of Azad Hind Fauj, a parallel government that was formed by Subhash Chandra Bose with the financial support from Japan. So after Second World War, he received support from Japan to establish a government, a parallel government against the British, but it was not in India, it was on Japanese land, and it was named Azad Hind Fauj or Indian National Army. It is also very popularly known as INA. INA stands for Indian National Army. This was also established by Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose. So that's it for today. I have completed 5 questions. Thank you. If you found the video useful, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.